Shopify terms and services. Last updated on December 10, 2020 by signing up for a Shopify account as defined in section 1 or by using any Shopify services as defined below. You are agreeing to be bound by the following terms and conditions. The terms of services as used in these terms of services, we us and Shopify means the applicable Shopify contracting party as defined in section 4 below. The services offered by Shopify under the terms of services include various products and services to help you sell goods and services to buyers, whether online services by enabling you to create and build your own online stores in personal PSO services of both. Any such services offered by Shopify are referred to these terms of services as the services. Any new features or tools which are added to the current services shall be also subject to the terms of service. You can review the current version of the terms of service at this time at Shopify serves the right to update it and change the terms of service by posting updates and changes to the Shopify website. You are advised to check the terms of service from time to time for any update or changes that may impact you, and if you do not accept such amendments, you must cases using the services. You must read, agree with, and accept all of terms and conditions contained or expressly referenced in these terms of service include Shopify's acceptable use policy and privacy policy, and if applicable the supplementary terms of service for EU merchants. EU terms the Shopify before you may sign up for Shopify accounts or use any Shopify service. Additionally, if you offer goods or services in relation to COVID-19, you must read, acknowledge, and agree to the rules of engagement for the sale of COVID-19 related products. Everyday language summaries are provided for convenience only and appear in bold under each section, but these summaries are not legally binding. Please read the terms of service, including any documents referred to in these terms of service for the complete picture of your legal requirements. By using Shopify or any Shopify services, you are agreeing to these terms. Be sure to occasionally check back for updates. Account terms. To access and use the service, you must register for a Shopify account by providing your full legal name, current address, phone number, a valid email address, and any other information indicated as required. Shopify may reject your application for an account or cancel an existing account for any reason in our sole restrictions. You must be the older of 18 years or at least the age of majority in the where you reside and form which you use the service to open an account. You confirm that you are receiving any service providing by Shopify for the purposes of carrying on a business activity and not for any personal, household, or family purpose. You acknowledge that Shopify will use the email address you providing on opening an account or as updated by us from time to time as the primary method for communication with you. You must monitor the primary account email address you providing the Shopify, and your primary account email address must be capable of both and receiving messages. Your email communications with Shopify can only be authenticated if they come from your primary account email address. Thank you.